Hello and welcome to a new video from Clever Diecast Cars. In today's diorama story, there has been a serious accident between an American school bus and an Audi. The intersection is now blocked. Several trucks and all model cars are stuck because two ambulances are on site, treating the injured. A police car is also blocking the road, adding to the traffic jam. In this video, we will work together to clear the accident scene, tow the Audi, and reopen the roads in my small 1/64 scale diorama. I hope you enjoy this video.
Thank you for watching this exciting diecast car video. Today, you saw so many amazing diecast vehicles, from the American school bus and trucks to beautiful model cars like the Audi. There's always something happening in my miniature city. Be sure to come back tomorrow for another video with even more thrilling diecast adventures. I can't wait to see you again. See you tomorrow on Clever Diecast Cars.